Welcome to know more about NOVESTOM body camera system working modes. Provide a complete video solution as body camera, command platform and docking station. How to collect data through body camera. 1. Please press video recording button to record or stop. 2. Please press audio recording button to record or stop.
Start audio.
3. Please press photo recording button to record a photo. How to use CMSV body camera and visual command Plato frame. Install CMSV SIM card to body camera to get CMSV signals.
4G is connected.
After the camera receives a CMSV signal, please log in NOVESTOM command platform. NOVESTOM command platform supports CMSV live streaming, push-to-talk, AOS alarms. Remote commands the camera to record video to camera or computer. Record video to the server at regular intervals. Fence camera management. Remote access the data from PC and downloaded it to computer. Create new cameras and user rights management. Our command platform also supports cloud servers and physical servers with perpetual licenses. When the camera SD card is full, please upload and store data via docking station and DMS. When the camera is connected to the docking station, the data will be automatically uploaded and supports data storage, query, playback, management and charging for the body camera. Why choose NOVESTOM? NOVESTOM is a world-leading manufacturer of video security body-worn cameras and visual audio and video mobile dispatch platform. If you have any needs, please do not hesitate to contact NOVESTOM. Thank you very much for your visit.